You cannot, if you took out one of the spark plugs, if you took out one of them.
Here's another small one.
Alright.
You got it on there? Here you go, let me do something that way you won't. You know, too crazy. Put some.
But what I'm saying is, you gotta have both spark plugs in there because you're checking compression. So if you took both spark plugs out, there would still be a hole in the top of that head.
Yes, I get that.
So
I thought we was gonna put a spark plug black, test the other side. That's my fault.
Well, we're gonna switch spark plugs anyway. Just if the compression comes back good, next thing we do is switch spark plugs. Then we're going to take and unbolt this fuel rail right here and switch injector. And then if we still can't not get the problem, if we switch injectors and the problem moves to cylinder 2, we know it's the injector. If we switch spark plugs and the problem goes to cylinder 2,